Have you ever encountered the internal server error while trying to migrate your WordPress website to a new server? You might have seen something like this. Internal server error, oops, something went wrong. The server encountered an internal error or misconfiguration and was unable to complete your request. Error code 500. The appearance of this error can vary depending on your web hosting panel. Here in this example, I am using HTTP. There are various causes for this error, and in my case, it was because of a corrupted htaccess file. For those unfamiliar, the htaccess file is a configuration file used by the Apache server, particularly in the context of WordPress. So how do we fix it? Follow these steps. Go to File Manager and navigate to public HTML folder of your WordPress installation. Inside, you will find the htaccess file. To be cautious, let's rename it to something like htaccess old. This way, you have a backup just in case this solution does work. Create a new htaccess file. Next, head over to the WordPress official documentation. I have included the link in video description for your convenience. There you will find a basic configuration for the htaccess file. Simply copy this configuration and paste it into the newly created htaccess file. Remember to save your changes. Now it's time to check if the error has disappeared. Refresh your website, and if it's working as expected, we have one more important step left. We need to regenerate the htaccess file to ensure that the configuration is accurate. For that, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Settings and select Permalinks. Scroll down and just click the Save Changes button. That's it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.